Hello all. Today we shall see how owner approval for changing ownership is done in the NoBrokerhood admin dashboard. Let's understand this feature with an example. Suppose owner A of 001 is moving out and owner B is moving in. There are two possibilities for changing the ownership. So now let's see the first scenario. Owner A goes to the admin and tells them that they are moving out of the society and owner B is taking over it. So now the admin will go to flat and resident management and click on the change ownership option. Now check for the details of owner A and update all the details of owner B here. Obtain the ownership by clicking on the change ownership tab. The second scenario. In this case, the new owner will get a magic link through SMS like welcome to the NoBrokerhood with a link to download and register through the app. He or she will download the app via magic link and fill in the details required and send the request for approval to the admin. Now the admin will get a request for approval from owner B under Society Management in the Pending Approvals option. In the Resident tab, the admin will get the pending approval to change the ownership. The admin will go to Action. Click on Approve. The admin will check for all the necessary information has been filled in properly, and if anything is to be filled can be done at any point in time. Once all the information is filled in and found to be correct, then admin will click on Change Ownership and click on Proceed to get change. So now the admin has approved the ownership requests sent by owner B. This is how the admin can change ownership in the NoBrokerhood admin dashboard. Thank you.